Good morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi TGT Computer Science in NGSS Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to discuss the class 7 subject Computer Science, and here is the fourth chapter, Charts in Action. This is the 10th day of these chapters, and in these chapters I am going to discuss about how actually we are changing the chart styles. We have to follow these steps and then we can easily able to change it. Chart styles. One times we have created these charts with the fixed charts, and then according to the scenario we can also able to change the charts by following these steps. So the charts commands is used to change the visual look of the charts. One times the visual look is something different, and another times we want to its look to change. We can use the charts style commands, and by using this we can able to change the visual look of the charts. So we have to follow three simple steps is here. First of all, select the chart. So any charts we have created first times, we have to select the chart. Either we have selected the column charts, bar charts, pie charts. So first of all we have to do selection of the charts, and after that we have to go to the design tab and then follow the step. Here is the design tabs, and this is the chart style group, and this is the chart options. This is the chart option. So any option we can select here. If we want to this type of chart, then click here. Otherwise this type of chart we choose it, then click here. So which type we want to be set here, so we can able to click that chart. If we are not satisfied to these charts, then we have again more option is here. So this is the drop down buttons. This drop down buttons, this is the more buttons. We have to click here. Whenever we are clicking here, then a gallery is coming. Then again more variety of charts is coming. So this charts is here, and this is the sub type of charts. So any charts, whatever we have the requirements, so we have to click here, and this chart is going to set in the charts, and the previous chart is going to change. So according to our one choice, we are selecting here, and that chart is able to set there. So this is a very easy steps, and we can able to change the chart styles. So how this video was, you have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.